wag muna kayo. Ikaw na. Dapat ikaw magsasalita. Mag-thank you lang kami after nila magsasalita.
Hi, God bless.
Hi, God bless po.
Sadyang Nim, thank you for the blessing that you give to us, to my family. Thank you for the support. We appreciate your support to us. And thank you so much, Judam Church. Thank you. Thank you to all that God use you to our family. And thank you for the blessings. Thank you for your ministry, Sadyang Nim. God bless. And your family and your ministry. May the Lord bless your ministry and be a blessing to others. And may the Lord give you more blessings that He ever promised to you. Thank you so much. We appreciate your support for us. God bless. We love you. Judam Church, thank you. Thank you. Okay, thank you. Bye-bye. God bless. God bless.